Prior to any treatment, palpate the correct position of the port body and assure no signs or symptoms of port site irritation or infection exist. Aseptic technique should be maintained during port access. Use only non-coring needles, such as the LifeGuard safety needle, to access the port membrane. The non-coring needle tip prevents damage of the membrane. Attach a 10 milliliter syringe filled with sterile normal saline to needle. Palpate the port perimeter to identify the port septum. Grasp the wings of the LifeGuard safety needle with your thumb and middle finger, placing your index finger on the top of the needle stick guard. Insert needle perpendicular to the port. Advance needle through the skin and septum until it makes contact with the bottom of the port reservoir. Needle placement should be confirmed by aspiration of 3 to 5 milliliters of blood, or per institutional protocol. Secure the device per institutional protocol. Using turbulent push-pause technique, flush and lock port per institutional protocol, maintaining positive pressure. Raise the needle trap to a 90-degree angle. Using your non-dominant hand, grasp the needle stick guard and hold down firmly. While holding the needle stick guard firmly in place, grasp the flexible wings and pull upward until the needle is completely encapsulated in the needle trap. Flip the needle stick guard towards the needle trap. Properly dispose per institutional protocol for sharps disposal.